Tuk. Hello, hello. Working, and microphone is working as well. Cool. All right. So I said I was going to make a better quality video compared to last week, and which I'm going to do because I have a nice 4K camera. And I'm going to answer all the questions I received in the comments about SORA. Okay, and to make a better presentation compared to last time, I made this document in 2 minutes to make sure I will not get lost in my thoughts. Okay, I will try to finish that video in 20 minutes because I have other things to do. Right? Other things to do other than training my competition on SORA. Okay, cool. First thing first. What are the differences between SORA 2 free, like the SORA 2, the SORA you have access with your invite code, and the SORA 2 Pro, the SORA you are paying to get access? Cool. SORA 2, the SORA free, the maximum video duration on web is 10 seconds. The video quality and audio quality is a 6 out of 10, which is okay-ish. It's nice, but it's not great. And in terms of creativity, what I mean by creativity is if you do like one short sentence prompt, it's not that great. You have to be like basically very precise with a JSON formatted prompt in SORA free to make sure the character will say exactly what you want him or her to say at the timestamp you want him or her to say, right? Actually, if I put the microphone in front of my mouth, it will be a much more pleasant experience for you and for me. So with the SORA 2 free, you have to be like very precise in what you want to generate. Actually, I should step back so that you can see my pec. The maximum number of video you can create per day is 30 with a free account. And the concurrent video you can generate in parallel simultaneously is 3. Cool. Now for the SORA 2 Pro, the one you are paying for, it's $200 per month. Yes, it's expensive, but oh man, it's worth it. I mean, with just a bit of creativity, you should make 10 times that. Yeah. Sorry. And for the free version, you have the SORA watermarks on your video. Boo. Water. I don't know how to write watermarks. Nice. The Pro version of SORA 2, there is no watermarks on your video. So you don't need basically some watermark remover that will remove as well the text on your video, that will sometimes as well leave some blurry zones that will make obvious to your viewers that this video is not real, it's AI, right? So that's why as well SORA 2 Pro is great, and I'm probably one of the most known SORA 2 Pro advocates working for free for OpenAI. I'm not even sponsored. Sam Altman or Gabriel from OpenAI, you should give me some money because I'm going to bring you with that video so many new people that will pay for SORA, $200 per month. I'm going to add a lot of monthly recurring revenue for you guys. So you should give me some commissions. Okay, there is no watermark on SORA 2 Pro video, but if you use a cameo from a different person, there will be some watermarks. I'm going to show you. Yeah, as you I have to activate my VPN to access. So sorry for being not awake. I just woke up from a nap, and my voice is dying. Yeah, I am always generating smart videos. Okay, cool. Okay, okay. For example, here because I generate a video with one of my influencers cameo. So it's Luan. It's Luan RRR. She gives me access just to me to her cameo, and that's how you can get character consistency for now in Sora. Okay, perfect. That's how I am able to generate many videos with me, with my cameo, and with her and with Luan cameo. Shut up. So in all the videos, there is my cameo that I'm going to call with @devat, and her cameo that I'm going to call with @luanr. And that's how I am able to generate character consistencies. Fuck English. Character consistency between videos. Cool? Nice. Yeah. And my favorite feature of the Pro version of Sora is with one sentence prompt, even like one short sentence prompt, the creativity, like basically like the pace of the video, the different camera angles, what's happening in the video in terms of creativity, that's top notch. It's between 8 and 9 out of 10. And same for the quality of the video. It's HD, it's upscale, and the quality of the audio is great. So why would you pay for a UGC or for a low quality, low charisma ambassadors to make videos for you when you have SORA 2 Pro, and when you can onboard that ambassadors on SORA for you, and you can get her to give you access to her cameo. So I guarantee you, a lot of brokies creators that are not successful right now but are pretty, they are very willing to rent you, okay, to rent you their cameo for cheap, for maybe like $100 per month, $200 per month, which is still a lot less expensive than what you will pay those creators to make multiple videos for you per month. Think about it. Okay. Cool. The maximum video of per day you can create is 100, and the concurrent videos in parallel you can create is around 3. So at the beginning for me it was 5. And apparently, because I created a lot of videos in parallel too often, right now it's 3. And the maximum video duration with SORA 2 Pro is 15 seconds. So yeah. So we can select quality high. So like that means in terms of video, it's upscale, and in terms of audio, that will not sound robotic, crispy AI. And for the duration is 15 seconds, which is great. Okay. Now I'm going to show you what I mean. I think you're going to be like blown away, by the way, if you never used SORA 2 Pro before. I'm going to show you what I mean by creativity. What SORA 2 Pro is capable in terms of creativity, and so I am not sure if Sora 2, the free version, can do that. Yeah. So yeah, that's the inspiration is obviously the Interstellar movie. And the prompt that I gave, basically, like right now, I don't use, even if before I let a lot of creativity to Sora 2 Pro and it was great, I prefer as a marketer to control what the video is going to show and say and when with JSON, okay, with a JSON prompt, which we are going to see which we are going to see at the end of that presentation. Cool. All right. Now the Sora API. Okay, Sora API, you have access via Agent, via Inglesfield, via a lot of SaaS, arcades, etc. Or you can access via the API directly, but it costs a lot of money. So with Sora 2 Pro HD via the API, the cost is $5 for 10-second video and $7.5 for a 15-second video. And the result is random. So it's random as well on Sora Web, because sometimes you cannot, even if you use JSON, you cannot always predict if the video will be nice, if the character will be not blurry, or like the eyes will be where that should be, this kind of stuff. It's rare, but that happens, and it's a bit a pain in the ass to pay $7.5 for some shit, right? So yeah, and Sora 2 Pro, but instead of using HD, you use the standard resolution. It's $3 for a 10-second video and $5.5 for a 15-second video. I don't mention the cost for the Sora 2 free, for Sora 2 not Pro, because I'm not using, to be honest, anymore the Sora 2 standard, like the non-pro, like I am not using anymore this one, Sora 2. I always use the Sora 2 Pro. I mean, that doesn't make sense. I mean, Sora 2 is so bad compared to Sora 2 Pro that just doesn't make sense to use Sora 2. Okay. Okay. But you, my friend, as a brokey, who has not access yet to Sora 2 Pro because you don't want to pay to marketing, you don't want to be an evil capitalist paying for marketing tools, you want to keep using free tools because you have great values. What you have to do to improve your video from a Sora 2 standard or from a Sora 2 free model, you have to remove the Sora watermarks. You have to so I will show you. So the one that worked well for me in the past is the vmake.ai. So by the way, I am going to share that document in the post. Okay. So because I'm nice. Fuck it. Yeah, I say often fuck, and probably if I upload this on YouTube, it will be demonetized. Yeah. Okay, to remove the watermark, I use vmake.ai, which works great actually. So there is one edge case that is not working with this one. Is basically when on your video you have some text, it will remove the text as well. So I recommend when you generate your Sora free or pro video, don't put like specify in your prompt to don't add text on your videos. Okay, because main reason, is because TikTok and Instagram and YouTube Shorts or Snapchat, I don't know, they want to make sure you're not a bot and you are human. And a great way to show them that is you go on the app, you manually upload the video, and you add some overlay text yourself on those videos. Cool? Sure. Okay. Okay. And after the watermarks, you have to upscale the video because the quality of the standard model is 5, 6 out of 10. The one that I like is this one, replicate.com runaway upscale. So there is no parameter, by the way. You just click here and you select your video and you click on run, and then it will be ready in 2-3 minutes. And the cost for a 10-second video is around 20 cents. Okay? Nice. Okay, now to enhance the audio, the sound. The one that I like is this one, podcastadobe.com, and you have a free trial during 30 days. And same here, you select your, I will do it. And here you select your video. It will process, I don't know, in 1-2 minutes. And then you're going to see like all the background noise gone. And the quality of the voice is much better. Okay? So this one is, for the clean metadata, is not mandatory, because like even if you upload with existing video metadata, it will still work. It will not get shadow banned by TikTok or Instagram, but it might be shadow banned soon once they will learn how to identify SORA videos based on the metadata. They might want to nerf the reach of those videos. A tool that I use from one of my business partners. So it's not, by the way, it's not my tool. That's his tool, okay? And that's free. It's a video. It's on Top Yappers tool video remixer. So you will select your video, and then don't select parameters for remix. The remix parameters is basically like if you want to steal the video from someone, and then you change the contrast, you change the speed, so that when you will re-upload the same video on social media, it will not detect that's a copycat video. But for us, what we want is just to clean the metadata, which this tool does as well. So and then when it's uploaded, you click on remix video. It's going to take approximately. It's always during the live demo that is not working. Mr. Tadas, we have a bug in your tool. Okay, it was working this morning, so I will just after this video I will DM the creator of this tool, and I will tell him that it sucks. No, I will tell him to fix it. Anyway, then you click on remix video. It will clean the metadata for you. Okay. So why do I do this one last? I do this one last because I am pretty sure this one will, those three will change the video metadata, and that will tell TikTok and Instagram I did some transformations that are not human on my videos, that are bot, because I am not from this planet. And that's why. And then at the end, I do a clean so that the video will look like a teenager Gen Z, a human that will upload his video manually on TikTok and Instagram. Cool. So for that, it takes approximately 5 minutes, and that costs as well. This one costs probably 5 cents per video. 5 cents per video. Per 10 seconds, sorry, per 10-second video, and 5 minutes. This one 20 cents per 10-second video, and as well 5 minutes. I am fighting against my keyboard. Adobe Kenobi. This one is a free trial 30 days, so free, and take 1 minute maximum. And the one from Clean Metadata Topia Per, it's free. It's free and 30 seconds. It's okay. It's working now. Thank you. It's working now, so I withdraw whatever I said about this tool and about the founder. Okay. So yeah, so basically for just one video, you will spend 10 minutes, 11 minutes, let's say 12 minutes. So I am going to do a shameless plug for my SaaS that will do like all those steps for you, and so that you will get a video that, in terms of audio and video quality, that is between SORA 2 Free and SORA 2 Pro. So it will enhance the video and audio to be in quality like 8, 9 out of 10. That will clean the metadata for you, and that will remove the watermarks for you. So to be perfectly transparent with you, that's my SaaS, and it will be available if the dev does a good job. It's not me, that's my business partner, by tomorrow. So the way it works, you upload your video or your videos, because you can upload in parallel multiple videos. That's amazing. And for each, you can upscale the video, you can enhance the audio, and you can remove automatically the watermarks. Okay? And in terms of watermarks removal, that's the best. There is no blurry zone. I repeat, there is no blurry zone. There is no blurry zone, there is no weird stuff. There is just an edge case where there is some text. When there is some text that overlays the SORA watermarks, it will remove both, basically. So don't, when you generate your SORA video, even your SORA non-pro video, your SORA free video, don't add text. Like, say in your prompt, don't add text, because for all the watermarks tool available today, they will remove the text as well. Okay, so cool. And it will remove the metadata and remove the SORA AI specific flags that are in your metadata. So for the cost, I don't know yet, because it will not be free, because like we are paying money with our own money for each generation, and we might want to make some decent margin out of it, to be completely honest with you. But what I can guarantee you, what I can promise you, is instead of paying $5 for a 10-second video that is high quality, you will pay probably like you will generate the video for free on SORA Web, or using the SORA API for a non-pro video, and SORA 2 non-pro is $1 for 10 seconds. Right? So instead of paying $5, you will pay $1 plus some cost for you, actually. Cost for you. So for SORA OpenAI, it's $1 or free. Free, like if you generate via the web interface. And for us, I don't know. But I don't know yet, so I will not communicate on that yet, because it will be released tomorrow. But much less, I can guarantee you that, much less than $1. So for maximum $2 per video, you will get the quality of $5 video. Win for you, win for me, love. Okay, cool. So I'm going to make a tweet about it tomorrow when it will be ready. Ah, yeah, there's something on the wall. Okay, so now let's go over my workflow. How do I make killer video? Killer videos. So as you can see, there are some watermarks because I use a cameo of a different person. Okay, of the brown hair girl. Okay, what is my process to make this kind of videos? So, how to replicate existing viral content from TikTok or Instagram? Okay. Okay, so I am going to go on TikTok. Actually, that's great. That's great. Let's watch this one. That's great brain rot, stupid as fuck content. Okay, so that's the original video. And if I go on my Instagram that I made last week, what the fuck? Okay, I'm going to disconnect the VPN. If I go on the Instagram I made last week, I posted a similar video. Yes, there are some SORA watermarks. I failed. Anyway. Okay. It flopped. Most of my video flopped. But sometimes, for some reason, this one is in a French account. I have as well one in Spanish, one in Russian. I have three in the US that I run some brain rot SORA stopper. Sometimes I have some viral videos for no reason. Don't ask me why. For no reason. For this one, I have like 204,000 views, a lot of likes, some comments. And the plug, by the way, the plug that just that, okay. But does it convert? Yes. Okay. So and I know you don't understand French, but people in the comments, they are not wondering if that's AI. For them, that's real. Okay. So there, SORA 2 Pro HD is not AI slop. It's not AI slop. That's real brain rot slop. Okay. Bon. Okay. For example, if I come back to the workflow, how do I copy this video? I will go to snaptic.app. So it's a Snaptic for to download a TikTok video, and it's Snap Insta if you want to download an Instagram video. My voice is leaving me. Okay, I paste the URL of the video. I click on download. One more download video. It will take a bit of time for the video to be downloaded on my computer. That's the part of the video. Okay, and then it's here. And if you do that way, there is no TikTok watermark, which is great. Okay, there is no TikTok watermarks at all. Okay, then what do I do with that video? I will go to I have an account on Gemini Pro, but if you want, you can as well do the same on the Chinese. LLM called Qwen, Model Max. I do with Model Max, but and then in the context you upload your video. You can do that as well with Gemini, by the way. Huh? You upload your video and you say, give me the prompt to make that video. It will take a bit of time. Okay, cool. I'm checking during my own video if I have some messages. Okay. Okay, then Gemini gives me some variation of the same prompt. Short one, long one, cool. I mean, as you can see, Gemini detects very well what the girl is doing during the video. A young, energetic woman with long dark hair, wearing a casual long sleeve shirt, and she drinks a lot of Coca-Cola, basically. Okay, cool. So I'm going to take that. I will take that in Gemini, in ChatGPT 5. Sorry, I'm getting tired. Where is my SORA? And I do that in Gemini because I have my JSON prompt in Gemini, and then I'm going to say transform that prompt as JSON prompt. Okay, so let's talk about this JSON prompt. It's a prompt format that I found from someone on Twitter that is named Machina, La Machina, from that guy. Okay, so credit to that guy. And in the prompt, I specify the scene, the camera angle, the motion, the lighting, what is happening at what timestamp, what the characters they are saying, what is the language spoken, the pronunciation stopper must be said in French stopper and not STOPPR. Patati patata. Okay. So cool. So from that prompt that I got from Gemini, by the way, you can do that. You can do that as well in Gemini. I just do that in GPT because I have my this JSON in GPT. Okay. I will stop here, and once the JSON is ready, I don't know why today ChatGPT is slow as fuck. But we are going to wait, and I'm going to copy paste that JSON prompt in the Google Doc so that you will all have it, and you will stop asking me question. What's the prompt? That's the prompt. I mean, I am using the same prompt for all my videos. Not the same prompt, but like the same format and the same workflow and the same JSON for all my videos. JSON, boom. I'm going to copy that on a new page so that, okay, I tried to make it fit, but it didn't work. Okay. Cool. I am very aware that the sauce I am giving right now is huge, insane, and you will copy what I am doing. Great. I don't care. Okay. Do I use a web scheduler to upload my Instagram and TikTok videos? No. Why? Because I want Instagram and TikTok to know that I am a human. I am a real person. So I ask the people to post for me, to post from their smartphone. They can save the post as draft if they want, and them to post them manually later. That's okay. And I ask them as well to add some overlay text, some background music, some description in the video, some hashtag. To make sure TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, etc. Detect them as human. And when you upload on TikTok, and Instagram, there is a checkbox to notify if it's AI generated. I don't do it. I don't do it, and seems TikTok, Instagram, etc. Don't care. So for now, don't do it. Okay. So yeah, this one is when you go in the advanced parameter, you will see this. You will see that is it AI generated checkbox. And even if I don't do it, some of my videos still perform very well. So that means TikTok, Instagram, they're not able right now to detect SORA generated content, if it's AI or not, and if it's SORA generated or not. Okay, I'm getting a bit out of breath and I have another call in 30 minutes. So that's it for now. And see you at the next video. Bye.